As the sun rises, the sparrow wakes with the first light. In her cozy nest, high among the leaves, tiny chicks chirp for breakfast. She searches tirelessly for seeds and insects, always returning with food for her young. Every trip means survival. With swift wings, the sparrow dances through the skies, alert, agile, and free. She knows every branch, every breeze. But life isn't always peaceful. Rain, predators, and hunger test her strength every day. As the day ends, she rests, her heart still racing but full. Another day survived in the wild. Always, the life of a sparrow is short but fierce, a quiet story of resilience in nature's grand symphony.